We have our patient Razzmatazz. How you doing, Razzmatazz?
I am doing great.
All right, you're okay if we video your fun procedure for all our friends on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Gumby Vision. I don't know, I just made that last one. Could be coming soon to the internet. So brand new.
To it.
So your hair is so thick that I actually think it's a road hazard. Her hair is so thick.
It looks like a lace front.
If her hair
so pretty.
flopped in front of her while she was driving, I mean, it could actually. So while we're doing this, we're going to also go ahead and remove that portion of your hair that could get in the way. See, it's a bonus. Are you okay if we? No. Razzmatazz is not liking that at all. She has a Milium, Gumby Jean.
Okay.
And a Milium is nothing more than a little oil gland that's plugged with keratin.
Oh.
And so what we have here is a soaked gauze. It's soaked with lidocaine. It's a little numbing medicine. You're with me, Razzmatazz?
Yes, doing fine.
She didn't come in for this today, but she said, I wish I could get rid of that. And I said, I can do that for you. And she said, would you book it for me sometime? I said, well, you're here. Why don't we just do it now, you know, right?
Yes, thank you.
And she said, if you could do that now, I would be a happy person. And I said, but you're already a happy person. And she said, well, I would be even happier. Did any of that take place?
No.
Not really. I'm going to need a small piece of gauze, dry. Now, here's the most important thing. No matter what you do, don't jump. If something hurts, you're going to tell me, okay? And you're going to feel a little stick, just a wee little stick right there. And the reason these are difficult to get rid of is the keratin, the little protein that plugs the Milium, can sometimes get really thick and harden, and it doesn't want to come out. And so you get stuck with this thing, right?
Yes.
Is that hurting?
Just a tiny bit, but not
just
much.
a little bit. That's a little bit. Oh, did you feel a little bit right there? I'm sorry.
No, we're doing good.
We're doing okay. You know what, Gummy Jean? Would you remove my glasses? Oh my goodness, I can see now. A moment ago, I couldn't see a thing. Okay, we're done.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wait. Do you have a little forceps?
No, you can tell me.
Yes,
I do.
You got a little stick there. I'm sorry about that. I really am. I feel bad. You can't tell right now, but I'm really crying. These are a little bit kind of, we're going to just give you a little bit of a pinch. Get it all out of there. That's it. It's gone. See that, Gummy Jean? Mm-hmm. It's gone. So we basically unroofed it. Hey, it's all gone.
Yay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Had a little sting, huh? You want to see yourself? Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm. It's gone.
It is gone. Let me hold pressure on that for just a second for you.
Okay.
Do you have any interesting anecdotes you'd like to share with us?
Well, the procedure just hurt like a pinch.
It's just a little pinch?
I'm just a little bit dramatic because I'm under the weather.
Oh, you are sick, that's right.
But it doesn't really hurt much.
It didn't really hurt that much? Okay, you are Milium free. And you know what else? Next time, you've got a tiny one. Close your eye. You've got a really tiny one right there. It's almost too small for me to even see. So we'll get that.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, It's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.